Welcome to Go Lesson 8. Loops with for. Go has only one looping construct, the for loop, but it's very versatile. We will cover traditional loops, range loops, and control flow with break and continue. Let's start with traditional and while style loops. First, let's write a traditional for loop with initialization, condition, and increment. This loop runs 5 times, printing count 0 through 4. Go doesn't have a while keyword. Instead, we use for, with just a condition. This is equivalent to a while loop in other languages. Let's add a countdown example to see another while style pattern. The output shows all 3 loop styles working correctly. Now let's explore the range keyword for iterating over collections. Range returns both the index and value for each element in a slice. We get the index and fruit name for each iteration. If you don't need the index, use underscore to ignore it. The underscore is Go's blank identifier. It discards the value. Range also works with maps. It returns key and value pairs. Note that map iteration order is not guaranteed in Go. You can even range over strings. It iterates over runes, not bytes. Each collection type works seamlessly with range. Now let's learn about break and continue for loop control. Continue skips the rest of the current iteration and moves to the next one. When I equals 3, we skip printing and go to the next iteration. Break exits the loop entirely, even if the condition is still true. The loop stops at 5, even though it would normally run to 10. Here's a practical example. Finding the first even number in a slice. We find 8 and break immediately, without checking the rest. Finally, let's learn about labeled loops for nested loop control. In nested loops, break only exits the inner loop. Watch what happens. Notice the outer loop continues running even when we break. Labels let us break or continue an outer loop from inside a nested loop. When I and j both equal 1, we break the outer loop entirely. Here's a practical example, searching a 2D grid and stopping when found. We find 5 at row 1, column 1, and break out of both loops. Let's recap what we learned about Go loops. The for loop is Go's only loop. It can be traditional, while style, or use range. Use break to exit, continue to skip, and labels for nested loop control. Thanks for watching. In the next lesson, we will explore arrays and slices. Like and subscribe to continue your Go journey.